Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives. If you want to make subtitles like Alex Hormozi, Mr. Beast or Ali Abadal, then there is an AI tool easily available. Submagic.co. The link I would give you in description. I will show you how you can quickly create great subtitles on your vertical videos and create maximum attention. Let's quickly get into it. If you'll see, come to the website submagic.co, you will find that they have given you the templates of these subtitles. So what you have to do, you just have to click on the particular template and your subtitles will come in the form of all these top creators. If you want to try this for free, then you have to just click on the link in the description and directly try for free. You will find out that you will have to sign up using your Google ID. So I am just clicking on it and I sign up using my Gmail ID and I will get into it. Let me just try to create a project and show you how it can be done simply, easily. Let's quickly go to the create button and upload a vertical video. As I upload a vertical video, you will find on the screen a very simple tool and just click on upload. As you are uploading, you will find a very simple interface where you can easily click on any of the forms that you want and you can easily get those subtitles. This is a very helpful and an easy tool because otherwise subtitling, putting those emojis is a very difficult task. Let's quickly get into the details of it. As the video gets uploaded, you will find a very simple dashboard, and that's what it has made Submagic a very good tool. Now you will see that actually this complete captions are already there. I can show you one without music, and here you will find that there is already a pattern already there on the subtitles. You can see these subtitles look so beautiful that if you had to type and do it, it would take a lot of time. Let's quickly go on to the options that we have. Hormozi one that you see right now on the screen looks like this, so that you can grab the attention. Other ones are Devin. For example, I'll just switch to Devin to show you how it is looking different. Ella one, the other one looks very difficult. And then you will see Mr. Beast, right? Mr. Beast also has these captions which can easily be done. If I look at Ali Abadal's technique, you can really see here Iman's technique, light, dark, and this can easily be done. This can be also edited. If you want to have editing, you can also caption the edits, and if it has not auto captioned incorrectly, you can easily do it. Save and export buttons are really there. This can help your completely content game in the long run. So to consider trying this out, because it's better that you try it out. Now it also has an option of a B-roll. So if you will find that if you want to add a B-roll, you could include any of the transitions, film burn, or any of the B-rolls that you want, because this helps you keep people engaged. Zoom in, zoom out options are also there. For example, if I just put in something like this, if there is a word that has been utilized, you could even use it like this. So if you like such videos, then definitely subscribe to the channel. This will help you create best content, and short video form is the future. So just click on download and check out the link in the description for Submagic. Thank you so much.